Now we have another example. Let's take a look what happened over here. Please notice that these 4 resistors are in parallel because they are connected together on one side, okay, and they are connected together at the other side. But the question is, what is the ohmmeter reading? Okay, what's the reading of the ohmmeter? Please notice that this circuit is open. Okay, it means that current is not flowing. Theoretically, current has to go from positive terminal of my ohmmeter. Okay, we are using the conventional current flow by the resistors and supposed to get back to the negative terminal of the ohmmeter, but the circuit in this case is open. So what's the reading of my ohmmeter? The reading probably is going to look like this, OL, which stands for open loop. It means that total resistance of this circuit is infinite, okay, because the circuit is open. When the circuit is open, there is very large resistance, okay, so the meter is going to see this like an open loop. So the total resistance is in infinity, okay. Okay, of course we can say ohms because we talk in terms of resistance, but the meter is going to show me OL, which stands for open loop, and this is the solution to my problem.